Time is more than just numbers on a dial. It's a story, a legacy, a statement. And when it comes to making a statement with elegance and simplicity, few timepieces can rival the Movado Museum Classic. From the moment your eyes meet its dial, you'll understand why this watch is more than just an accessory. It's a masterpiece. The iconic museum dial, first designed in 1947 by artist Nathan George Horwat, is a tribute to the purity of timekeeping. The single gold dot at 12 o'clock represents the sun at high noon, reminding us that time is eternal, yet always fleeting. Set against a deep black dial, this signature design is simple yet powerful, sophisticated yet effortless. There are no numerals, no distractions, just pure, timeless elegance. Encasing this masterpiece is a 40mm stainless steel case, finished with a luxurious yellow gold PVD coating. This elegant two-tone combination gives the watch a refined and contemporary look, ensuring it stands out in any setting. The slim profile allows it to sit comfortably on the wrist, sliding effortlessly under a dress shirt cuff or complementing a casual outfit. The sapphire crystal covering the dial is one of the most durable materials in watchmaking, highly resistant to scratches, ensuring your watch maintains its pristine appearance for years to come. But beauty isn't everything. A true timepiece must be reliable, accurate, and effortless to own. The Movado Museum Classic is powered by a Swiss quartz movement, ensuring precise timekeeping with minimal maintenance. Swiss-made watches have long been a benchmark of excellence, and this model is no exception. With this watch on your wrist, you'll always be on time, not just in the literal sense, but in style and presence. Watches are meant to be worn, and comfort is key. The Movado Museum Classic features a stainless steel bracelet with yellow gold PVD finished links, creating a seamless and comfortable fit. The Diplomat clasp provides security while making it easy to put on and take off. At just 8mm in thickness, this watch is incredibly lightweight, making it the perfect companion for everyday wear. Whether you're heading to the office, attending a formal event, or simply enjoying a night out, it adapts effortlessly to any occasion. While this watch is not designed for deep-sea adventures, it offers 30 meters of water resistance, making it resistant to splashes and light exposure to water. Whether you're caught in the rain or washing your hands, your Movado remains safe and protected. Owning the Movado Museum Classic is more than just owning a watch, it's owning a piece of history. The museum dial is part of permanent collections in some of the world's most renowned art institutions, including the Museum of Modern Art in New York. It's not just a watch, it's wearable art. For over 140 years, Movado has been a pioneer in watch design, continuously pushing the boundaries of innovation and aesthetics. The Museum Classic is a testament to that legacy, offering a watch that is as timeless as time itself. If you appreciate minimalist elegance, precision craftsmanship, and the perfect blend of tradition and modernity, then this watch was made for you. It's a piece that speaks volumes without saying a word, a true symbol of sophistication and style.